This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items on HorseLife. First, open your inventory by clicking the backpack icon. You'll see all your items there. Next, simply click on the specific item you want to sell. A menu will pop up, giving you several options. From this menu, select the Sell button to begin the process of listing your item for other players to purchase. It's a straightforward first step. Now, let's talk about pricing. Before listing, it's smart to check what similar items are selling for in the market. This helps you set a fair and attractive price. You want to be competitive, but also ensure you get a good return. If your item is rare or in high demand, you might be able to ask for a bit more. Remember, a well-priced item sells much faster, so take a moment to consider your options. Once you've decided on a price, it's time to list your item. Double-check that you've selected the correct item and that the price is exactly what you intended. Then, confirm the listing to place your item on the public market. It will now be visible to all other players browsing for new purchases. Keep an eye on your listing. You might receive offers or messages from interested buyers very soon. This is where the magic happens. Congratulations, your item has sold. When a buyer makes an offer you like, simply accept it to complete the transaction. The in-game currency will then be automatically deposited into your account. You've successfully turned an unused item into valuable funds. Now, you can use your new earnings to purchase other items you need, upgrade your horse's equipment, or even save up for a new horse. Happy selling and happy playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.